I was smell so frownsy. Junior, are you? No, mommy. Anna me. Junior, wait there. Lift up your hand. Wait there, Junior. Are you, man? You smell green. Go bathe. But, mommy, me say go bathe your nasty self. Little boy. In quick time. Junior, you done bathe already? Yes, mommy. A lie. Me have to go check your rack. Hold on there. Me gone for go feel your rag, cause me can't believe you bathe so quick. Them picnic nowadays, man, them too general. Me tell you, them too general. Them looking at your face and tell you one bare face like. Wait there. Junior, how you say go bathe? And this a rag you dry like me front. Mommy! Mavis, stop going off the script. I tell you about this already. Awa, really? That too vulgar? Alright, rewind and come again. Let me do the line again. Junior, how you say you bathe? And this a rag you dry like me heel back. There, me say the line over again. Nice and better for no people we get upset and offended too quickly. Only need to stop it and take the stick out of uno